In this video, we'll learn autofill. Now, autofill, what is autofill? It automatically fills the data for us. Let's see how it works. In column A, I just write the serial number 1 and, and 2. Now, I need to fill this series till 10th row. So, what I do, I select these two, and Excel knows I have selected 1 and 2. So when I keep the cursor over right bottom corner, you can see this small green square. So yeah, the cursor turns into plus. So I just click on that and drag till wherever I want my data to be filled. So I go till 10, so it automatically fills the data for me. So nose is a series 1, 2, then next has to come 3, 4, 5, so forth, so on, so forth. Okay. Now, let's look another example. I'll put here weekday. So Sunday, when Sunday is there, so it knows after Sunday it has to fill Monday, Tuesday, and so forth. Okay. I just click cursor over here, and this time instead of dragging, I'll just double click. It's the same. When double click, it knows it needs to go till the end of the data. So till 10th, data is filled, so it will update till 10th. Okay. I just click here. See, it has filled the data. Similar in the case of month, I just put Jan. So for January, I just double click on this and it fills the data for me. I can fill the complete, I can type full name January, UARY. And when I keep the cursor here and double click, it automatically fills. It not only automatically fills, it this type. So for example, I put this everything in caps, Jan. So it will also update rest of the thing in caps. Yeah. Now I say uh, Monday. I put Monday. Instead of getting into the series, I want only the same Monday has to be repeated everywhere. So if I just double click, it will not do that. It will go to the next day and do. So what I do, if you want the same data to repeat, so instead of just clicking here, I press Control. Control, then keep the cursor here and drag it. You can see the preview Monday. So it has updated the Monday. Now we'll see the example of a date sequence. I'll just put the date. Okay. 09, it is 15th. So I'll just put this date. There is a shortcut for updating today's date. That is control semicolon. See, if I just put a control semicolon, today's date appears. Okay. I just double click on this. See. So what it does the, it fills the date. But assume I want I want some particular days. Say this is Thursday, and every Thursday I have a particular task to do. So I want only Thursday days. So what I do, I'll just say this date plus 7. I enter. See, 22nd September is also Thursday. When I select these two, sorry, I just select this one and double click. See, it's added 7 to the previous one. So 15th September, 22nd September, 29th is all 6th October, all are Thursdays. And then not only series, we can have a series like say for example, I say here I'll write one, here I'll write three. So it has skipped two. So let's see how it understands. It skips one and adds another number. So we can have this one. Okay. So this let's not require right now. So we can have this autofill function used and we can use it really well to make our job easier. Please do comment if you want any other thing to be taught or where I can teach you on any other topic which you would like to know. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.